In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to your emails in Klaviyo. Countdown timers can be an excellent way to create a sense of urgency and encourage your audience to take action quickly. Whether you're planning to notify customers about an upcoming sale or counting down to a special event, a countdown clock can make your email communication more engaging and effective. Let's dive into the steps. First, we'll head over to a handy tool called tickcounter.com. This user-friendly site allows us to personalize our countdown timer to fit the aesthetic and functional needs of your email campaign. Once you're on the site, you'll have various options to customize your timer. You can set the specific date and time you want the countdown to end, which is crucial for aligning with your promotional timeline. Additionally, you can choose the language that best suits your audience and adjust the units of time, like days, hours, minutes, or seconds, to display on the timer. The customization doesn't stop there. You can personalize the font and text to align with your brand's style. If you want your timer to link to a specific web page, perhaps directing your audience to your landing page or promotional offer, you can also set that up here. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, it'll be time to bring your vision to life by clicking on the Make Countdown button. This generates the embed code that we'll use to insert the countdown timer into your email. Now that we've created the countdown timer, it's time to integrate it into your Klaviyo email campaign. Head back to your Klaviyo account, which is your hub for building relationships with your audience. On the left panel, you'll find several options. Click on Content, and from there, select Templates. This is where you can create and edit the visual layout of your emails. To create a new template, simply click the Create button located at the top right of the screen. You'll then be taken to the Email Template Editor screen. It's here that you'll modify the design and construction of your email. Look to the left panel, and you'll see various elements you can use to build your email. Drag and drop the HTML element into your template. This is where we'll input the countdown timer. Now, it's time to paste in the embed code we obtained from TickCounter. Paste the code in the HTML block you've just added. The timer will now be displayed in your email template, seamlessly integrating as part of your campaign's design. Just like that, you've successfully added a countdown timer to your email. And there you have it. That's all for adding a dynamic countdown timer to your email campaigns using Klaviyo. With this tool, you can drive urgency and engagement like never before. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!